The goals for the Community Pantry program are to give students a positive, enriching food experience. The program is meaningful both from the farm perspective and nutrition perspective. I work in the counseling center as a dietitian, so this is a wellness offering through the counseling center. This again offers me a way to engage with students that maybe I'm not seeing one-on-one, but we can engage in a group setting or on Zoom later for the cooking program.
I think it's a really good way just to learn how to cook. Just having an opportunity to cook with Emily once a week and just set that time apart so we could have good food and just build our skills and have community is really, really nice.
We invited a couple of our friends over to the suite. We're making double the amount that we usually make just to kind of make sure we have enough food for everyone.
As a farmer, it feels really good to source from other local farmers because sometimes they could be sitting on different products or harder to use vegetables, and I try to make a point to highlight those things. So today we are highlighting grass-fed bison from Empire Buffalo, and they are located in Chittenango, New York.
There's themes sometimes. So last week was Arepas for Latinx Heritage Month, and then this is for Indigenous Peoples Month. I think it's really cool that we not only get to have recipes that she tries, but it's also being more connected with the community through a different means.